is a newly sanctified way to sing. Those birds did not know a chorus for woman like we, all mother under our lower lip, no Eve in the knots of our hair, and uncooperative glory. All bronze deity curled to the sun, braided wombs, sacred deep. They couldn't tongue the meaning of holy until they got a taste of what we were hearing ourselves screaming, stand still, till they have a taste for women like we weren't holy, just here, and have been missing ever since. Too many Aboriginal women have been chewing on God's palms ever since. To be quiet is a learned thing. As you witness the undoing of many a braided pelvis, they cleanse your ovaries with turpentine. To stop the bleeding, they said. To stop the breeding, they prayed. Over charred tongues and bloody orchids, our mouths have been on fire for decades, left with matches by our doors and blades in the bedding of our palms. Daughters will be born with both Achilles kissing flames.